In a world that often feels chaotic and fast-paced, the idea of decluttering has gained significant popularity. The benefits of simplifying our living spaces extend beyond just having a tidy home. It can positively impact our mental well-being and overall quality of life. If you're staring at years of accumulated clutter and feeling overwhelmed, fear not. This step-by-step guide will help you reclaim your space and embark on a journey towards a more organized and serene life as we walk through the process of how to declutter years of clutter. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Now let's look at how to declutter years of clutter, a step-by-step guide to simplify your space and your life. Step 1 is to set clear goals. Before diving into the decluttering process, take a moment to define your goals. Consider what you want to achieve with this decluttering endeavor. Whether it's creating a more functional living space, reducing stress, or adopting a minimalist lifestyle, having clear goals will guide your decisions throughout the process. Step 2 is to start small. The prospect of decluttering an entire home can be exhausting. Instead of overwhelming yourself with the enormity of this task, start small. Begin with a single room or even a specific area within a room. Tackling smaller tasks allow you to make visual progress and builds momentum for the larger challenges ahead. Step 3 is to categorize your belongings. To do this, you'll sort your belongings into categories. This step is crucial for gaining a comprehensive understanding of all the items you own. Common categories include clothes, books, electronics, sentimental items, and miscellaneous items. Once you've categorized everything, you can assess each category individually, making it easier to decide what to keep and what to let go of. Step 4, try the KonMari method. Made famous by Marie Kondo, the KonMari method encourages individuals to assess each item based on whether it sparks joy. To do this, you'll hold each item in your hands and ask yourself if it brings you happiness. If the answer is yes, keep it. If not, it's time to let it go. This approach emphasizes the importance of surrounding ourselves only with items that bring us joy. Step 5 is to declutter sentimental items thoughtfully. Sentimental items can be the most challenging to declutter. Instead of holding on to everything, select a few meaningful items that truly hold sentimental value for you. Consider taking photos of items that are difficult to part with, allowing you to keep the memory without the physical clutter. Step 6 is to adopt a one in and one out rule. To maintain a clutter-free environment, consider adopting a one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to removing one other item. This helps to prevent accumulation of unnecessary possessions over time. Step 7 is to donate, sell, recycle, or trash. As you declutter, create separate items or piles for the items that you plan to donate, sell, recycle, or throw away. Donating gently used items not only benefits others, but also allows you to declutter responsibly. Selling items can also be a way to recoup some of the value, while recycling and proper dismissal ensures minimal environmental impact. Step 8 is to organize and designate spaces. Once you've decluttered, focus on organizing the remaining items. Invest in storage solutions that work for your space, such as bins, shelves, and storage containers. You'll want to designate specific areas for different categories to make it easier to maintain order. And step 9 is to develop sustainable habits. Maintaining a clutter-free environment requires ongoing effort. Develop sustainable habits such as regular tidying, organizing, and evaluating your possessions. Embrace a mindset of intentional consumption to prevent clutter from building up again. Decluttering years of clutter is hard. What should I do if I feel I can't move forward and finish? Decluttering years of accumulated stuff can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can make this process more manageable. So here are some tips to help you get unstuck and make progress. Again, you'll start small. Focus on one area at a time, like a single drawer or a corner of a room. This approach will make the task feel less overwhelming and dreadful, and will give you quick wins. Another tip is to set a timer. Designate a specific amount of time, like 15 or 30 minutes, to decluttering each day. Knowing you only have to work for a short period can reduce that feeling of overwhelm. Try using the 4-box method. Grab 4 boxes labeled keep, donate, trash, or relocate. Sort the items into these categories as you go. This method helps you stay organized and make decisions faster. Again, follow that 1 in and 1 out rule. For every item you bring into your home, make sure you remove one. And this will prevent that future clutter from accumulating. Focus on progress and not perfection. It's easy to get stuck trying to make everything perfect. Instead, I want you to focus on making progress. Even a little improvement is better than none. Set some clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with each decluttering session. Having a clear goal gives you direction and motivation. Enlist some help if you need. Sometimes having someone there can help make a huge difference. They can provide support, help you make decisions, or just simply keep you company. And also take breaks. Decluttering can be emotionally and physically draining. Take breaks when you need them to recharge and avoid burnout. Visualize the end result. Picture how your space will look once you feel that it's finally decluttered. Keeping that vision in mind can help you stay motivated. And also give yourself some grace. Remember that decluttering years of clutter is a big task. Be kind to yourself and recognize that it's okay to take your time. Starting with these tips can help you tackle the process step by step and make decluttering a more achievable goal. Decluttering years of accumulated items is a transformative process that extends beyond physical spaces. As you simplify your surroundings, you'll find a sense of clarity and peace permeating other aspects of your life. Remember, the key is to approach the task gradually with a clear vision for your goals and embrace a mindset of mindful consumption for lasting results. Thanks for watching.